Hi students, in this video I would like to explain about B trees. See, if I want to deal large amount of data to store into the disk, we have a specific data structures. Then that type of specific data structure we can implement by using B trees. The main important of B trees is to maintain huge data. See, it is capability to store large number of keys in a single node and large key values by keeping the height of the tree relatively small. B tree is a specialized M-way tree. M-way means multi-way tree. Later you can understand that can be widely used for disk access. This is the important point. Actually, database management systems, you can deeply understand about B trees and B plus trees, but for first year BTech students, it is not recommended to explain all concepts which is related to B trees and B plus trees in deep. So I am explaining about the necessary data only. So try to understand. A B tree of order M can have at most M-1 keys and M children. See, why it is called B tree means it was developed in the year of 1972 by Bayer, so that it is called as B tree. Binary tree is different with B trees. Please don't think binary tree shortcut is B tree. No, binary tree is different, B tree is different. See, we have some of the rules. B tree of order M has the following properties, mainly three properties. While we are constructing the B trees, these are the three rules we have to follow. All leaf nodes must be at the same level. All nodes except root must have at least M/2 children. All the key values in a node must be in an ascending order. So let me explain with example so that you can understand all these things. See, for example, B tree of node 4, here to keep huge data, we are storing all information, multiple key information in a single node. But up to now, AVL trees or binary search trees, we can store only one particular key for only one node. But whereas to maintain the insertions successfully or efficiently, here we can store multiple keys in a single node. See, that is the meaning of order. Maybe if suppose one node contain 3 keys, so that we can attach maximum 4 children only. See, B tree of order 4, here M is 4, contains a maximum of 3 keys only. That node we can accommodate maximum of 3 keys. That is the and next, maximum of 3 key values in a node, maximum of 4 children for a node. So see, this is the node representation of B tree with order of 3. Here M is 3. See, this is the node representation. Here, for example, M is 3. So node is like this. Here it points out the subtrees. Here I am storing the key values which is used to pointing the records, the corresponding records, and this is one more pointer and this is one more pointer. So if the order is m, which means every node we can store only 2 keys. But how many children we can attach here? 3 children. That is the rule you should follow. See what is this means. Here we are following the same binary search tree rules only, which means all the lesser than keys of the corresponding root node we will place it left subtree. All the greater than elements of k1 we will place it here. All the lesser than of k2 we will place it here. All the greater than elements of k2 we will place it here. So same binary search tree concept we are imposed here, but apart from one key for every node, we can place many keys for every node. That depends on the order of the binary tree. Here order means how many number of keys we can accommodate, that will inform. See, this is the simple example of B tree. Here I have, here order is m is equal to 3. So how many keys we can place? 1 and 2, but there is no key at all, only single key. So from that single key we can attach many number of children. I will explain with the help of example so you can understand. This is for your assignment. First I will start with simple concept, simple keys. See, in your examinations they will ask questions like this. Construct a B tree of order 3 by inserting numbers from 1 to 7. 1, 2, 3 and so on 7. So I assume these are the keys. Now by using these keys I want to construct B tree. So first insert key 1. So first of all check whether your B tree is empty or not. So if the tree is empty, create a new node. So what is the order they have given? 3. So your node is like this. Node is like this. This is for pointer. This is for K1. This is one more pointer. This is K2 and this is one more point. Don't confuse students. Very simple. So which the order is 3. If the order is 3, we can maximum we can place 2 keys for every node. If you place 2 keys, how many children it can attach? Only 3. That is depends on order. Okay, but every time we can't able to write all the pointers, so that directly I am writing here so that you can understand. See, 1 key is K1 is 1, second is I am not inserting, so leave it. Remaining places simply put null. These pointers no children, so simply put null. Next, insert 2. Where we can insert 2? Is there place at this node? Yes, in this root node there is a one more place, so simply we can store. But here you should remember one thing. There is one more main key point. In a node, keys should be in an ascending order. Every time we have to remember. This is the third point. All the key values in a node must be ascending order. That should be remembered. Okay. So can we insert 2 in the same node? Yes, there is a possible. So directly we can insert here and insert key 3 in the same node. Is it possible to store the 3 in the same node? No, because order is 3. If the order is 3, if m is 3, every node we can accommodate m minus 1 keys only, m minus 1 keys, and every node we can attach m children. This is the very important point you should understand. So apart from the three we can also write one more point. What is the last one more point? If order is m, every node of B tree we can place at most m minus 1 keys and m children. So but we have to check 3 is greater than 1, 3 is greater than 2. So is there any place? No. So your node can't store 3. So that what we have to do, actually insertions placed at top to bottom. So far we have discussed B trees, binary search trees and AVL trees. Everywhere insertions takes place from top to bottom searching, but whereas B trees are quite opposite. Insertions, when we want to insert any element, insertions, when we insert, tree will grows from bottom to top, because to implement such efficiently we are doing like that. So see, one more point here, all leaf nodes must be at same level. So in order to maintain the concept, when we are inserting here, we have to divide that node, and middle node we will make it as a root node. Students, ఈ పాయింట్ చాలా నీట్గా అర్థం చేసుకోండి. ఇన్సర్షన్స్ ఆపరేషన్స్, ఏ ఆపరేషన్స్ అయినా, డిలీషన్ ఆపరేషన్ కావచ్చు, ఏం చేసినా కానీ లీఫ్ నోడ్స్ అన్నీ ఈక్వల్గా ఉండాలి, సేమ్ లెవెల్లో ఉండేటట్టు చూసుకోవాలి. దానికోసం మనం ఇన్సర్షన్ చేసినప్పుడు ఒకవేళ అకామిడేషన్ జరగకపోతే, అంటే ఆర్డర్ కంటే ఎక్కువైనప్పుడు, మొత్తం నోడ్స్కి మిడిల్ నోడ్ ఐడెంటిఫై చేసి దాన్ని పైకి తీసుకెళ్తాం. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సీ హియర్, ఇప్పుడు ఈ 3 1 2 3 ప్లేసెస్లో మిడిల్ నోడ్ ఏంటి? 2. హౌ డు యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్? ఫస్ట్ ప్లస్ లాస్ట్ ప్లేస్. సో ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్, సెకండ్ ప్లేస్, థర్డ్ ప్లేస్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ప్లస్ లాస్ట్ ప్లేస్ ఈజ్ 3/2, విచ్ మీన్స్ 2. అంటే సెకండ్ ప్లేస్లో ఉండేదాన్ని మిడిల్గా తీసుకోవడానికి ఇది ఫార్ములా అండి. ఫస్ట్ ప్లస్ లాస్ట్ బై 2, సో దట్ వీ కెన్ ఐడెంటిఫై ద middle one. So middle one is 2. Now we bring that middle one to the as a root node, అంటే దాని పైన ఉండే లెవెల్కి తీసుకెళ్ళండి. సో 2, ఇప్పుడు 2ని పైకి పంపించగానే ఈ రెండు నోడ్ స్ప్లిట్ చేయాలి. ఎందుకంటే బైనరీ సెర్చ్ ట్రీ రూల్స్ ప్రకారం 1 ఎప్పుడు లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఉండాలి, 3 ఎప్పుడు రైట్ సైడ్ ఉండాలి 2కి. సో ఈ నోడ్స్ మాత్రం సేమ్గా ఉంటాయి. ఈ నోడ్లో కూడా మనం 2 కీస్ మాత్రమే ప్లేస్ చేసుకోగలం. ఓకేనా? సో ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ ట్రీ. నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్సర్ట్ 4. ఎక్కడ ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయాలి? బైనరీ సెర్చ్ ట్రీ రూల్స్ ప్రకారం ఫస్ట్ రూట్ నోడ్ నుంచే స్టార్ట్ చేయండి. 4 is greater than 2. So is it possible to place here? No. Go to the right of 2. Now 3 is less than 4. So immediately place it here, because there is a accommodation. There is a accommodation because every node order is what? 3, which means 2 keys we can place here, 3 childs we can attach. Okay, so directly place. And insert 5 starts from here itself. 2. Please remember, there is a place. Don't place key element here itself. Every time insertions takes place at leaf nodes only. If it is full, then only we will come to here. If it is full, then only we will go here. That is the main point we should remember. Now 5 is greater than 2. So place it right of 2. రైట్ ఆఫ్ 2లో ఆల్రెడీ 2 ఉన్నాయి, ఫుల్ అయిపోయి ఉన్నాయి. కాబట్టి సింపుల్గా ఏం చేస్తారు, ఇప్పుడు మిడిల్ కనుక్కోండి. 3, 4, 5 మిడిల్ 4. ఇప్పుడు ఈ 4ని ఇక్కడ తీసుకెళ్ళిపోండి. అప్పుడు ఈ రెండు స్ప్లిట్ చేయండి. సో 2, 4 బికాస్ ఇక్కడ ప్లేస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ప్లేస్ చేయండి. ఫస్ట్ టైం ప్లేస్ చేసేటప్పుడు లీఫ్ నోడ్కి వచ్చేయాలి. లీఫ్ నోడ్లో అకామిడేట్ కానప్పుడు మాత్రమే ఇక్కడికి మీరు మూవ్ అవ్వాలి. ఓకే, సో 4 ఇక్కడ తీసుకెళ్ళండి. 2, 4, this is 1 and 3 and 5. So 4 less than is 3, 4 greater than is 5. Okay, insert 6. Where you have to insert 6? Where you have to insert 6? Check greater than the 4. So simply there is a place, simply place here and go to the next step, insert 7. So where you have to insert 7 greater than 4. So is it possible to place accommodate? No. So simply what you have to do, find out the middle one and split these two subtrees and this one bring to the upper level. But when you bring this 6 to upper level, here also is it possible to accommodate? No. As per the order is 3, so we can place only m-1 keys. So what you have to do, again apply the same program here. So split చేయండి. ఆటోమేటిక్గా 4 ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తుంది, పైన రూట్ నోడ్కి వెళ్ళాలి కానీ కిందకి రాకూడదు, అంటే పైకి వెళ్తూ ఉండాలి. అంటే 4ని పైకి తీసుకెళ్తే ఇవి రెండుగా స్ప్లిట్ అవుతాయి. 4 ఇప్పుడు 2 అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ 6. ఇవి కామన్గా ఉంటాయి. 2కి ఏమున్నాయి ఆల్రెడీ 1 and 3 and 6 having 5 and 7. So this is the final output of the given problem. So ఇలా లార్జ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ కీస్ని మనం మెయింటైన్ చేయాలంటే ఒక నోడ్లోనే మనం కొన్ని కీస్ని అకామిడేట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అది ఎన్ని కీస్ అనేది ఎవరు చెప్తారంటే డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ ఆర్డర్, ఎం అనేది చెప్తుంది. సో దిస్ ఈస్ BitWish. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ఇఫ్ యూ నాట్ అండర్స్టాండ్, సింప్లీ leave comments. I can reply to you. Subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.